Hello fellow DIYers, it's Deanna Takwa here and welcome back to my channel. So I want to say that I feel really good about this. In this video, I want to bring to your attention that I have created an in-depth detailed course on getting the perfect fit pants. So if you guys don't know, I am a bridal pants designer. I have a bridal line which specializes in bridal jumpsuits for women who want to wear pants for their special day. I like pants, that's why this is very passionate for me. I hold it very dear to my heart, that's why I haven't done any pants tutorials on my channel. And I think a pair of pants is fabulous if you know how to create the perfect fit. So in this course, I'm going to show you in depth how to create a pair of pants from scratch using your body measurements. There are no mannequins. We're not going to be using any type of mannequin, just your body and your measurements. And this is how you're going to craft the pants to fit your body type. There's a lot of details that go into creating the perfect pants, and I show you how to do so by taking measurements, and then from the measurements we're going to transfer onto paper, and I'll give you tips on what to do when you transfer those measurements. And then we're going to create a first mock-up so that way we can fit it on the body. And majority of the time we tend to have errors in like fit issues in the crotch area and in the thigh area, as well as calf and butt, and I'll show you tips on how to fix those things as well. Once we have our mock-up perfected, we're going to go back and transfer them onto paper, and that is when I'm going to show you how to create and draft a fly front as well as slash pockets. And once we have our patterns all done and perfect for our likings, we're gonna go ahead and transfer that onto a full-blown tutorial that I have for you guys to put all these components together, and I will show you each and every step on constructing the perfect pants that will fit you. So I think this is a good course for you to have under your belt and to extend your skills with. I spent many years learning how to get the perfect fit by trial and error and mistakes, and I spent thousands of dollars of my education, and I didn't even get half of the stuff that I put and have included in this course. And lastly, I'm going to assist you along the way. Yes, I'm going to help you along the way. So if you have any comments, questions, feedback, I'm going to be there to assist you so you can get that perfect fit you want. I would highly recommend you to invest in your skills today. Hit the link down below in the description box, and I will help you with your skills today.